Hey guys, it's Genie and I'm back. Today we'll be looking at different resources, websites, YouTube channels, etc. So let me just pull up my laptop. Okay, and first up on the list we have Save My Exams. Got a bunch of IGCSE stuff. You choose your exam board. For example, let me choose CIE. Then I go, there's accounting, additional maths, a bunch of subjects. And then you have the revision notes, topical questions, and the past papers. You can actually get a PDF of the revision notes, but you have to pay for it. There's like a monthly subscription. But if you pay for the first month and you download the PDF, you're set. So this is it. Even got chemistry, computer science, business, English language, English literature, history, ICT, geography, maths, whether it's core or extended, they got you covered. This is for the Excel people. So it's the same thing, it's just different syllabus. Okay. Now let's be moving on to ZNotes. ZNotes is actually really good. It's a bunch of summarized notes. This is for biology. As you can see here, it outlines the subject very well. It talks about different aspects in brief summaries. This is like good for last minute revision and stuff, so use it. Not really gonna get too deep into the bio. So next up we have PMT, physics and math tutors. Let's check the GCSE, IGCSE. Okay, so you got chemistry, physics, biology, a bunch of other subjects. This is how it is. Just choose this. Okay, so apparently I chose physics by accident. Okay, papers 1 through 6. Let's go paper. Okay, let's go topic 2, normal physics. And you got flash. Wow. Okay, so you got notes, summary notes, and like definitions, flashcards, and topical questions. And they have a lot of them, so really use that to your advantage. And I also got past papers. Also got revision courses if you're interested. Now you got mega lectures. Let's see. I also have a YouTube channel, so go check that out. Let's go study notes. Or yeah, I'm just for O level IGCSE chemistry. Okay. So I think these are the courses that they offer. Let me just go chemistry notes. Wow. Sorry for the Wi-Fi. It's been seriously laggish. Thanks. Still lagging. Okay. So as you can see, they got free study notes, worksheets, and past papers. They even got SAT stuff if you're interested. So they got chemistry. Let's get the O-level IGCSE chemistry. They also got physics, a bunch of other stuff. So they got the notes. Yeah, there's a data sheet. You can see quite a lot here. They even go from physical chemistry to organic chemistry, and these are updated notes. And you have MCQ questions, so it'll help you on your paper 1s and 2s. And you have bonding structures and properties of matter. Okay. Then now we have exam solutions. If you struggle in math, they got you covered. So you have GCSE, you have AS level, you have A level. If it's for the IGCSE, you have to go to international. Okay. Then choose whatever you got. It's still loading, so that's why it's okay. So then now you got tutorials and papers for each topic. I think I accidentally went into A level, so we go back. Okay, let's just go GCSE. Then we got exam questions. Let's just look for algebra. There's a bunch of topics, and let's see, equation of a straight line. When you select that, you could go watch any of these videos on the site. They also have a YouTube channel, so they got you covered. And you got Maths Genie. They also have exam questions, and they also have videos and stuff. So there's IGCSE Maths. You got a bunch of grades. So just look at where you're weak and start cracking. Got up to level 8. Got up to grades 8 and 9. Now we have IGCSE Aid, which I think it's more for those who are doing business, economics. Yeah, as you can see, they got business studies, economics, CO, coordinated sciences. What did I say? CO. English as a second language as well. Let's look at the business studies. So let's look at the first one. And this is the type of notes they have: economic problems, need, wants, scarcity, whole bunch of blah blah blah. Never do business, so I don't understand this type of stuff. But if you do, good for you. And yeah, here's some reviews, and let's keep going. Next one is IGCSE Success. It's mainly for first language English, because as we all know, first language English is hell. So this guy made a channel to help people with that. As you can see, first language English. You have summary writing, IGCSE English, narrative writing for paper 2, common paper 1 mistakes. This guy really got you covered for IGCSE English. Past paper websites. You got GCE guide. GCE guide. Just pull up your examination, and it covers past papers on a wide range of subjects. Like, I've seen subjects that are so, I've seen for almost every subject you can imagine. It's all here, and it's taking time to load. Wow. Okay, sorry for the slow internet. I really didn't want this to happen. Wow. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. We come back to it later. Now you got extreme papers. You just come here, papers, choose CAE or whatever you're doing. Choose IGCSE, and then you got topics here. Let me just pick world literature, cause why not? You got specimen papers, specimen mark schemes, question papers, mark schemes, and let's just click on one. Boom. So apparently paper 3 is a set text. Okay, so all these literary people, that's your problem. I don't really like literature, so. And I got best exam help. It's in the name. It's one of the best exam help. You just go over here to past papers, and you can check O level. I got the bio. Yeah, it basically categorized from the A's, B's, C's. I got drama, business studies, French, food, nutrition, history, geography, Islamiyat, maths, music, religious studies, travel and tourism. Ooh. And yeah, that's it. Let me go back on GCE Guide and see if I can still reload this. If not, I think that's the end of our list. So these are some of the resources that I've been using to get good grades. People have always been asking me why I have such good grades. It's the resources. By the way, if I haven't mentioned, ZNotes has a Discord server, and when you go there, it's just a whole lot of fun. It changes the game for you, so go check that out. And GCE Guide is not going, so we're just gonna end this video here. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to comment on any questions you have, any remarks.